Hey everyone, welcome back to Skills Exceed. In today's video, I'll show you how to freeze columns, rows, single cells, and panes in Excel. This will help you keep important data visible while scrolling. Plus, stay till the end for a bonus productivity tip to make your Excel work even faster. Let's get started. In this video, we will cover why do we freeze rows and columns, how to freeze the top row, how to freeze the first column, how to freeze multiple rows and columns, freeze panes, how to freeze a single cell, how to unfreeze panes, bonus tip to boost productivity. Let's dive into each one step by step. Part 1. Why do we freeze rows and columns? When working with large Excel sheets, you might lose track of important headers or key information while scrolling. Freezing rows or columns locks them in place so they always stay visible. Part 2. How to freeze the top row. Let's start by freezing the top row. If you have headers at the top, this is really useful. Here's how to do it. Open your Excel file, click anywhere in the sheet, go to the View tab at the top, click on Freeze Panes, select Freeze Top Row. Now, when you scroll down, the first row will always stay visible. Part 3. How to freeze the first column. Next, let's freeze the first column. This helps when you want to keep names, IDs, or other key data visible while scrolling sideways. Click anywhere in the sheet. Go to the View tab. Click Freeze Panes. Select Freeze First Column. Now when you scroll right, the first column will always stay in place. Part 4. How to freeze multiple rows and columns. Freeze panes. What if you want to freeze both rows and columns? Let's say you want to keep the first row and the first column visible. Here's what to do. Click on the cell just below the row and right of the column you want to freeze. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes. Select Freeze Panes, the first option in the menu. Now, the rows above and the columns to the left of your selection will stay fixed. Part 5. How to freeze a single cell. Excel does not have a direct option to freeze just one cell, but here's a workaround if you want to keep an important value visible. Select the cell you want to freeze. Click on the View tab, go to New Window to open another view of the same file. Arrange the windows side by side using the Arrange All option. Keep the important cell visible in one window while working in the other. Part 6. How to unfreeze panes. If you want to remove the freeze, it's super simple. Go to the View tab, click Freeze Panes, select Unfreeze Panes. That's it. Your sheet will now scroll freely. Part 7. Bonus tip. Use split screen for better view. Here's a bonus tip. Instead of freezing, you can also use the split feature to divide your sheet into multiple sections. Go to the View tab, click Split. This divides your sheet into 2 or 4 parts, allowing you to view different sections at the same time. It's great when comparing data across large sheets, and that's how you freeze columns, rows, and even single cells in Excel. Plus, don't forget the split screen trick to boost your productivity. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Skills Exceed for more Excel tips. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.